Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can create for free a photo collage using Canva app. Very easy guys, very simple. The first thing you want to do, you want to log into your account and then you want to come over here at the section you might want to try, and then you want to slide on the side until you actually find the photo collage portrait. Okay, you want to click on it and then you want to come over here and you want to look. The first thing I will do, of course, is to filter the results, so this will help us save a lot of time and not scrolling unlimited, right? So let's scroll on the side and let's pick the photo collage. So first thing, we have a portrait mode or we have a simply photo collage. The second option over here will simply be to pick up the style of the collage. This is gonna be modern, elegant, corporate, creative, professional. Let's pick the creative one because I presume majority of you guys have a lot of creative souls and try to create something fun. And the last filter I'm going to apply will be the price, and we're going to filter everything that is free currently available. So example over here will be the first one, and a very important reminder that every element that you currently see on every of these templates, guys, is completely customizable. As you can see, we can click on individual photos, we can click on the text, we can click on the background color, we can click on the flower on the lower side. And if you want to change something, for example with this color, we can simply change the whole vibe of it. Okay, we can make it brighter, lighter, warmer, colder, right, more vintagey. I think I will stick with this warmer part over here. So about the photos, so when you click on the photos, you have an option again. You click on the three dots, guys, and now you can select the middle lower screen, which it says select multiple images. So now you can essentially select all of the images and you can just delete all of them, right? And then just copy and paste your own images. It's very simple because this is how it works. You see the first two buttons, which are copy and paste. It's as easy as everything else. So this is how usually you can remove all the pre-made templates and simply add the new ones. The next thing I want to highlight over here, guys, is that when you click on the background, right, some people might not like the background. We can essentially adjust the background as well, and we can adjust these small, like I would say irrelevant functions. So for example, this one I don't find this its spot here, so I will simply delete it. And I could do the same thing with this one, or with this one over here. I don't think that they belong, and I will move this one around. Don't forget, everything could be removed, everything could be moved around, everything color could be adjusted. Same thing with the font. We click on the font over here, and do we like the way it's written? Yeah, we do like. But if you want to change the color, this is where you can change the color on it, right? You can simply pick up the much darker, or you can put like much thicker, or you can essentially change the whole font itself. You can change the font size, you can make it larger, you can make it smaller, right? And the best of all is that you can change the actual style of the font, right? So let's say you don't like this one, you can come over here and you can simply do all these adjustments. This is why it's very, very nice. And here are all the other fonts that are different designs, different family of designs, right? And you see how the font is simply changing on top. You can adjust it, make it larger, make it smaller. Very, very nice. Essentially, guys, when you're finishing with editing, with uploading your images, changing the brightness, changing the color, all you gotta do is to click on the upper right corner over here and click download. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and come back for more.